welcome back to Not So Grand Garage. Tonight we're out of the shop and we are working on a feeder for our chickens. They've been doing really good, and our waterer that we built recently has been working really well, but still just been using the little feeder I had since they were chicks, and having to refill it sometimes twice a day is getting old. So we're going to build a larger one. So yeah, follow along. So what we've got here is a cheap 5-gallon bucket. This is one I had laying around, nothing special. I've got a Gamma Seal lid that I got for free. Don't remember where I got it, but you don't have to use this. This is just gonna make it easier to open up and fill the bucket up. And I got this little kit here with 6 different heads from Amazon. This kit was like 20 bucks or so. Not too expensive, and it'll save me a lot of time. So basically the extent of it is this side here faces out and this side goes inside the bucket. So it came with a hole saw, so I'm gonna go around, I'm thinking either 3 or 4 holes on this bucket, and place these in here. This little lid here keeps the rain out and lets the birds get down in there. We'll be able to fill this bucket up and should last a good while with only 6 birds, but we'll see. It also comes with little caps for these that thread on when you're not needing it to keep other pests, rodents and stuff out of your feed. But yeah, let's get to it. So laying it out, it looks like 4 will work pretty well. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So all I need to do is basically crisscross from each other, 4 holes around here using the provided hole saw, and then we'll screw these in. Hold on, little man.
You maybe need to get all that dust off.
Yeah, I think I do.
You don't want the chicks.
What, bud?
You don't want them eating that.
No, I don't want them eating plastic. I'll clean the bucket out. It's not a big deal.
Okay.
One down, 3 more to go. All right, Got our 4 adapters or cups put in. As you can see, there's a hole in there. So when the bucket's full, the chickens can get to the food in the bottom here. But how it's designed, it shouldn't let food spill out. And with this here, this should help keep rain out of it, help keep the food dry. I'm gonna place this under the coop over there anyways, because there's space for it, and that'll help keep it out of the rain too. So I got to put this lid on, and we'll set it in place and fill it up, see how it works. They seem to have figured the feeder out pretty quickly, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Holds probably 10-15 pounds, something like that. If that gets them through, you know, 4 days, heck, a week. I doubt it, but we'll see. We'll have to just keep an eye on it and see how quick they eat it. That'll be great. It's just less time we got to spend out here maintaining this, and more time they can take care of themselves, which is what we want. So, with all that said, I think I'm going to wrap this up here. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comment section below. I will post a link to the to this little feeder kit that I bought. It was off Amazon. I'll post a link to it. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that. Just figured I'd make it easier for you guys. There's a bunch of different offerings. Like I said, I think this one was 20 bucks, but yeah. If you haven't already, please subscribe. We appreciate you watching.